Hello everyone, welcome to Ceylon language YouTube channel. We are talking on this channel teaching Sinhala, the mother tongue of Sri Lanka, and related studies from a very simple level. So let's go to the video. Today our topic is Sinhala alphabet. Sinhala alphabet. Did you know Sinhala alphabet? You may think that learning Sinhala is very difficult, but it is not. When learning any language, the first we should learn is the alphabet. There are 60 letters in the Sinhala alphabet. Now let's learn Sinhala letters separately. The first letter is A. It's written like this. It's like a sound in English. A. First, now we see words starting with letter A. Okay. These words are starting with letter A. These words are the English meaning in these words. Okay, let's go. Amma. A. Amma. Mother. Umble. A. Umble. Mango. Aliya. A. Aliya. Elephant. A. Ayya. Ayya. Brother. Utter. Age. Utter. Age. Next one is A. It's written like this. A. Okay. This letter is same as the previous letter, but it's a little different. That is, pronouncing this letter takes more time than a previous letter. Words starting from letter A. We see Archie, grandmother. Adaraya, love. Asiyava, Asian. Adaraya, proud. Agama, religion. Okay. Archie, grandmother. Adaraya, love. Asiyava, Asian. Adambaraya, proud. Agama, religion. Next letter is A. It's written like this. A. Let's see. A. Word starting with letter A. Anaya, nail. Ella, candle. Apple, bale. And the bed. Asa, eye. Anaya, Ella, Apple, and the Asa. Next one is A. It's written like this. A sound. The word starting with letter A. At the away, a she. At the away, a she. Next letter is E. It's written like this. E. You see? E. Now we see words with letter E. Ira, sun. Ibba, tortoise. Isa, prawns. Ira, sun. Ibba, tortoise. Isa, prawns. Today we learning last letter is E. It's written like this. E. E. Now we see words that start with E. Lanka. Next, Talaya, arrow. Iya, shit. Sana, northeast. Lanka. Next, Talaya, arrow. Iya, shit. Sana, northeast. Today we are learning about first 6 letters of Sinhala alphabet. In the next video we will come with other letters like this. Stay with us. Subscribe Ceylon Language YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.